When it comes to optimizing your facial hygiene, always make sure you're using the right tools for the job. Manscaped is now going beyond the groin with the Beard Hedger Pro Kit. First up in the collection, the Beard Hedger Electric Beard Trimmer. Featuring a 41mm titanium steel-coated T-blade, this trimmer is designed for an even trim from any angle. It also comes with a rotary zoom wheel to help you shape and trim your beard to the exact length you'd like. The rotary zoom comes with 20 different length settings, giving you a wide variety of options to choose from, so one guard gets you 20 hair lengths. It fits in my hand perfectly, which helps me navigate all the tough angles of my face and neck with confidence. The Beard Hedger can also be used after washing your beard with shampoo and conditioner, since it is waterproof. If there's any residual product on it, simply run it under the sink for a quick and easy clean. Thanks to a high-performance lithium-ion battery, this trimmer has a 90-minute charge time and up to 60-minute runtime per charge. Next in the kit is the Beard Shampoo. Unlike head hair, beard hair is more coarse and susceptible to damage and requires a more gentle approach to cleaning. This is a gentle wash that helps soften and hydrate, leaving you a fresh smelling clean beard. If your beard is ever feeling dry and itchy, look no further than the Manscaped Beard Shampoo to help. This shampoo will have you feeling fresh and clean. After you're done with the beard shampoo, next up is the beard conditioner. When washing your face with warm water, your facial hair loses natural oils that are needed for a healthy beard. This leave-in beard conditioner provides moisturization with key ingredients so your beard looks as smooth as it feels. It feels weightless and is great for hydration and moisturization on non-wash days. Next up in the kit is the beard oil, which is perfect for beard maintenance. Exposure to external elements can leave your beard feeling dry and brittle. Oftentimes, the skin underneath your beard can also go overlooked and need moisturization. Manscaped Beard Oil is designed to help moisturize and improve elasticity of the hair strands, giving your beard a shiny and healthy look. The final formulation included in the Beard Hedger Pro Kit is the Beard Balm. Beard hair can be hard to manage, at times being coarse, unruly, and wiry with scraggly hairs and flyaways. This pomade styles, shapes, tames, and moisturizes beards of all lengths, and it locks in moisture to help keep your beard looking healthy and shiny. When you order the Beard Hedger Pro Kit, you also get free gifts: a beard comb, beard brush, and premium scissors. That way, you can craft a truly magnificent beard. So don't wait, go to manscaped.com and check out the Beard Hedger Pro Kit. Your beard will thank you.